In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Public absolutely free, and we'll do it all in under 5 minutes. Tableau Public is an incredibly useful tool for data visualization and sharing your findings with the world. So, whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting your journey, this guide will get you up and running quickly. Let's start by accessing Tableau Public. Open up your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, you can type Tableau Public. Alternatively, you can go directly to the website by entering publictableau.com. Once you're there, you'll find a user-friendly interface designed to help you dive into data visualization effortlessly. Next, look for the Create drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll find an option to download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. This is the version of Tableau we'll be using, and it's completely free. Click on this option to proceed. Now, before you download the app, you'll need to fill out some registration details. This step provides Tableau with the necessary information and also sets up your account so you can save and share your visualizations later on. Enter the required details, ensuring everything is accurate, and then click on Download the app. Once you hit download, the execution file for Tableau Public will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or directly from your browser's download bar and click on it to start the installation process. As the installation wizard opens, you'll be greeted with the licensing agreement. Review the terms and click the checkbox to accept them. This agreement is standard and necessary to install most software. If you prefer not to send usage data to Tableau, there's an optional checkbox here for that as well. It's entirely up to your preferences whether you choose to opt out or in. With those steps complete, you're ready to click the Install button. Sit back for a moment as the setup process completes. Depending on your system, this could take a few minutes. Once the installation is done, Tableau Public will automatically launch, and you'll be ready to start exploring and creating stunning visualizations. That's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed Tableau Public. Now it's time to get creative and discover the power of data visualization. Don't forget to explore Tableau's rich features and resources available on their website to turbocharge your learning experience. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.